Patuloy ang isinasagawang pag-aaral sa mga posibleng mabigyan ng executive clemency. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, nais ni Pangulong Aquino na masusi itong pag-aralan para may pagkaloob ito sa mga tunay at karapat-dapat na bigyan ng executive clemency. Mula sa rekomendasyon ng Board of Pardons and Parole sa ilalim ng Department of Justice, ang listahan ay isusumite sa tanggapan ng Pangulo.
Kasi dun sa recommendation ng Board of Pardons and Parole under DOJ, pupunta po yan dito sa atin sa Office of the President at i-review po ng ating legal. So far, ang bilin po kasi ng Pangulong Aquino talaga ay titignan ng mabuti ang mga kasong umaakyat sa atin para sa executive clemency. Kung inyong maaalala na the President has already voiced out this particular position that he would also want a thorough review of the cases, as well as part of it is to give notification to the families of the offended parties if still available. So it's part of the process that also that the President has put in place, and we will give updates as soon as they come. As of today, wala pa ho tayong officially, it is still all under review.